Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to find the column value or word length in MySQL. So let's get started. So currently I am using my MySQL workbench and this is my table over here named student. So I will just now show the details that are present inside it. Yeah, so this is the name. I'm having like 4 names over here. So basically we will be finding the length of each of these names over here. So for that we will be using the inbuilt function char underscore length. So it's going to be the exact same command. Select asterisk from your table name, but instead of asterisk we need to just put char, and we'll be having this char length function over here. So it's char underscore length, no space, and within that function we need to pass the column for whose value we need to find the length. So I want to find the length for my name. Okay, so I will go with name, which is a column name, and if I just now run it, I'll be getting just a plain length. So to avoid that, I will just have the length as well as the column values. So yeah, so this time I will be having the length as well as the name adjacent to it. So 5, so here 5 characters are there, 4, 2 and 6. I hope this made sense. But the heading over here is char underscore length. If you want to like change that, we can just have the as condition. So it's going to be as. I will change the name as length, something like that, and you can even use the where clause. So basically you can also have where I will go with r number equal to 3. Yeah, so you can like customize your particular query based upon your need. So I think this will display only one value. Yeah, so here you can see this text over here comes over here. So this is the thing, char underscore length, and it pretty much does the job for you. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I have also run many other tutorials in MySQL, C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.